Hi guys. Let's see how to enable God mode in Windows 10 computer. This may be a little too niche for most users, but if you are a power user or IT professional who wants access to all of Windows control panels from one folder, God mode is for you. First you need to create a new folder on the desktop. For that you can right-click a blank area on the desktop and create new folder like this. Then you have to rename it in an exact way. It is a code, you can copy the code like this and paste when the folder renaming. You can get the code from the comment section. Then you can see the folder image is changed. You can simply double-click and enter to the God mode easily. This is also called Windows Master Control Panel shortcut. Here you can see all the main functionalities of the computer and it is a list of control panel items. God mode allows you to easily access all advanced tools, features, and tasks. God mode lets you access all management features in one location and it's still better than the modern Windows 10 settings. Here you can see administrative tools, autoplay option, backup, and restore Windows 7. Color management, credential manager, date, and time. Device manager, ease of access center, file explorer option. File history, fonts, indexing options, internet options. Keyboard, mouse, network, and sharing center. Phone and modem, power option, programs, and features. Region, remote app, and desktop connection, security maintenance. Sound, speech recognition, storage spaces. Sync center, system, taskbar, and navigation. Troubleshooting, user accounts, Windows Defender Firewall, Windows Mobility Center, work folders. That's all about God mode. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.